Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Suppose you have 10 items in your ArcGIS Online account, but now you want to see when you created and modified this item. So today's video is all about how to know created and modified date of any items. So let's start. From arcgis.gis, import GIS. Now let's connect my ArcGIS Online account. First, provide ArcGIS Online account URL and credentials. Now search content. Items equal to gis.content.search query. Max item 100. For item in items, create a variable name item created. But before we have to import date time. So from date time import date time, time zone. Date time dot from timestamp. This create a date time object from the converted timestamp. Item.created. This retrieves the creation timestamp of the item in millisecond. Divided by 1000. This converts the timestamp value millisecond to second. Tz equal to time zone dot UTC. This sets the time zone to UTC, coordinated universal time. Dot str time. This formats the date time object in a human readable string: day, month, year, and hour, minutes, and second. Print item title, item type, and item created. Now run this code. This is item's title, this is type, and this is item's created date and created time. Same as for item modified. Now print item modified date and run. This is items modified date and time. Now print both created and modified date. This is items title, type, and this is items created date, time, and this is items modified date and time.